Let's compare the Anker car charger with the Otium car charger. So these are both great chargers if you want to charge up your device in the car. They're both going to plug into the accessory socket. With the Anker charger, we're going to get a large USB and a small USB port. You'll have to supply your own cable, and this does occupy the whole accessory socket, so you can't plug anything else in. With the Otium, on the other hand, plugs into the accessory socket, but then it's going to create a splitter, basically, where you get two additional accessory sockets. So kind of nice if you still have other accessories you want to plug in the car. And on this, you are going to get two large USB ports and the smaller Type-C USB port. So just a little bit more versatile with the Otium. However, I find the Anker is a great fast charger. It charges the phone and other devices up very, very quickly. Some other features on the Otium, we do get these switches to switch it on and off. I don't know why you'd want to do that necessarily, and it does have a fuse on the bottom here. So both of these are great car chargers. I like the Anker if you need just a basic fast charger, you don't want to take up too much space. If you need to use other accessories alongside your charger though, then the Otium is a great option for that because it not only preserves the access to the accessory socket, it actually adds a second accessory socket.